Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Snowtrace to track Polygon transactions step by step clearly. To authorize Snowtrace to track your Polygon transactions, begin by visiting the Snowtrace website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Connect Wallet button. Click on the Connect Wallet button to open the wallet connection options. Choose the wallet you wish to connect, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. If you select MetaMask, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your wallet if you aren't already. Log into your MetaMask wallet using your password. Once logged in, you will see a request to connect Snowtrace to your wallet. Review the permissions being requested and click Next. After reviewing, click Connect to finalize the connection. Once connected, you will be redirected back to the Snowtrace dashboard. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your Polygon wallet address into the search bar. Press Enter or click the search icon to initiate the transaction tracking. The page will update to show your recent transactions on the Polygon network. You now have authorized Snowtrace to track your Polygon transactions effectively. Review the transaction details as needed to analyze your activity. If you want to disconnect your wallet later, go to your wallet settings on Snowtrace. Select the option to disconnect your wallet and confirm the action. Your wallet will no longer be linked to Snowtrace for tracking transactions. You have successfully completed the authorization process for Snowtrace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.